Today we are preparing rich and authentic Ghanaian palm nut soup made with assorted meat and fresh crabs. This soup is flavorful, aromatic, and perfect for serving with fufu, rice balls, or boiled yam. You will love this one, so all you have to do is to trust the process. Now, without wasting much of your time, kindly wear your apron and let's start cooking. To begin, I'm introducing all the protein I'll be using for this soup. I have some clean cow leg or cottage. I also have some clean relay, fresh cow meat, and I'm going to add in some tomato paste and also some aromat or pepper seasoning, which contains a lot of natural herbs that you can think of. Now let's go in with some aromat shrimp tablets as well, and I'm going to also season my meat with some freshly blended aromatics, which is some pepper, ginger, garlic, and a little bit of onions. Now let's go in with a little water as well. Don't forget to add some salt to taste, and also add in enough water because the proteins I'm using are very hard, so we want it to cook properly. Alright, so after that we're going to cover it and allow it to steam gently on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Steaming the proteins release their natural juices and also build a very strong flavor base for the soup, so it's very important to do this. You don't have to omit it. Steaming is very important right here. Now after about 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. I'm going to give it a quick stir, cover it again for about 10 to 20 minutes, and from there it should be ready for us to go in with our palm nut juice. Alright, so we are back from that short break. It's been 20 minutes now and the meat is nice and very soft. So we're going to add our palm nut extract and stir gently to combine. After that, I'll go in with some onions. Next, I also go in with some fresh tomatoes. You can omit the tomato since we already have some tomato paste in it. And also, I'm going to add in my fresh crabs. Remember, I've already added some fresh pepper, so no need for it, but in case it doesn't taste well for you, you can add in more pepper to your taste. Now, since I'm going to be enjoying this soup with fufu, you can also omit this process totally, the adding of garden eggs and the okra. Okay, it is totally to my preference. Now at this point, let's go in with some precursor. Yes, this is going to give us that authentic Ghanaian flavor we are looking for. You don't need to omit it, it's very medicinal as well. At this point, I'll just leave the soup uncovered, but if you want to cover it halfway or you want to cover it fully, that totally depends on you. Okay, so let's remove it and let the soup cook slowly for about 45 minutes on medium heat. Yes, we really want this palm nut soup to really cook well. We don't want to rush this process because palm nut soup takes a lot of time. After a few minutes, I'm going to remove the softened tomatoes and the onions. I'm going to blend them smoothly and pour the mixture back into the pot. This helps thicken the soup naturally and also enhance the color and flavor very well. Whilst that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after blending, I'm going to pour the mixture back into the soup as I said, and I'm also going to rinse my blender as well with water. It's very important. We are not leaving anything out. This process is going to thicken up the soup very well. Alright, so we're going to stir the soup gently and allow it to boil again so the blended mixture combines well with the palm nut base. Also, taste and adjust seasoning is very important. Don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Now I'm going to allow everything to simmer until the palm oil rises fully. At this point, the soup is getting ready, so the meats are tender and the flavor develops completely. Adjust salt and thickness if needed. Trust me, the precursor in this soup is doing wonders, and everything is coming together very well, and that's what I am looking for. Once the soup is ready, you can remove the precursor from the soup if you prefer, and you can also leave it and serve with it, and you are good to go. Alright, so your palm nut soup is now complete, rich, aromatic, and packed with flavor. You can serve this soup with fufu, rice ball, banku, or boiled yam, and you're going to love it. So all you have to do is to trust the process. Let me also know in the comment section what you think about this special Ghanaian palm nut soup in the comment section, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel for more amazing Ghanaian recipes. And until next time, keep cooking with love, and see you in my next upload. Bye.